In the early 2000s, America was this close to an electric revolution. But then, one car quietly made it all disappear. The EV1 offered something radical for its time: zero emissions, smooth acceleration, and almost no maintenance. For many drivers, it wasn't just a car, it was proof that electric vehicles worked. Meet the General Motors EV1, the first mass-produced electric car by a major automaker in the modern era. It was efficient, futuristic, and surprisingly loved by the people who drove it. And then, almost overnight, it was gone. Despite strong demand, General Motors canceled the program, recalled every unit, and destroyed most of them. Not sold, not stored, destroyed. The reasons are still debated. High production costs, limited battery technology, and pressure from oil and policy shifts all played a role. But the impact was clear. Momentum vanished. The EV1's disappearance stalled electric innovation in the US for nearly a decade. It wasn't until companies like Tesla reignited interest that the market came back to life. So did one car end EV excitement? Not exactly, but it did something just as powerful. It delayed belief. And in technology, belief is everything. The EV1 proved electric cars were viable, but its cancellation by General Motors halted early momentum. It didn't kill the future, it just postponed it. The real question is, how far ahead would we be today if it never disappeared?